Hey everyone, Munz here. Today I'm here to talk to you about how to negotiate home inspection repairs. Imagine this scenario. You found the home of your dreams, you made an offer, and that offer was accepted. Within days after your offer acceptance, and before you can close on the home, you have an inspection. And, uh-oh, that list of items noted by the inspector looks scary. What now? Well, now is the time to review that report and negotiate with the seller. How you negotiate repairs depends on what you find. The home inspector's job is to give you a report of any issues, both big and small, that are identified in the home. It's important to note that not all issues warrant negotiations. When you negotiate repairs after a home inspection, your goal is to get any major problems taken care of. To start, you want to figure out which repairs are most important to you. Set a goal and keep it top of mind throughout negotiations. Break the inspector's list into three parts. Major defects that will be expensive to repair, issues that aren't overly costly but also not cheap, and small issues that aren't of any immediate concern. From here, determine what your request for repairs will be. Focus on major issues, keeping your ultimate goal in mind. Once you decide on which repairs you will be requesting, your realtor will present this list to the seller's agents. There are a couple common ways to present these requests. Ask the seller to fix the issue before closing, or you can ask for price compensation, or in other words, asking for a reduction in the sale of the price of the home to reflect the cost of the repair. Or you can ask for a credit at closing from the seller in the amount of the repair cost. No matter which route you go, keep in mind that it's key to remain flexible when negotiating repairs. Nobody wants the sale to fall through though, so it's important to approach the negotiation process with an open mind and a willingness to compromise. You never should back down from something that's really major, but you also don't want to be unreasonable. So remember, if that inspection list looks scary, don't worry. There's a way to negotiate.